Hey, what's up, guys? Austin the Money here. I am back. We are back. It's been 3 to 4 months, but we here to stay. So, basically, let me catch you guys up. My account balance is 139,000 now. I took out a $50,000 HELOC loan. I'm doing interest-only payments, and I'm making it work for me, right? I'm making more money with the 50,000 than I'm paying back to the for the loan. And I'm making, a decent amount. Show you guys what's been going on. Past week, we're up about 2,700. Past month, we're up 8,000. Past 3 months, we're up 29,000. That was mainly from that huge dip we saw in April. So everyone's up pretty big in the last 3 months, as long as you've been holding. And year to date, we're up 8.8% or 11,000. Especially after that nasty drop. We were down 20,000 at one point. But we rode it back up. I have like a new little strategy I'm messing around with. So basically what I'm doing is buying shares. For instance, this week I did Amazon. I buy shares as many to the next 100th as I can with the capital in my account. And then I sell, if I'm bullish, I usually sell around an at the money or in the money call. I've made videos on this in the past where I think this is a amazing strategy. And of course, in a bull market, it's amazing. But it's also amazing in a sideways market and possibly bear market if you play it right. So basically, as long as Amazon's above, 222.5 by tomorrow, we're going to collect all the premium and sell our shares for a gain. I believe it's around a $900 gain for that trade. I had puts on Amazon, but I bought those back so I could sell Google puts for next week. Google has earnings next week, so their premiums are inflated. And they're one of the very few stocks that haven't really rebounded like the others. You got Apple, Google, and kind of Amazon. Amazon's pretty close to getting back to its all-time highs. But those are the stocks I'm kind of focused on right now. Not really Apple. I don't really like Apple. But Google and Amazon are definitely my two favorites right now. Meta's almost rebounded. Still pretty cheap. But Apple's overvalued. Microsoft overvalued. And Nvidia is just crushing it. I'm not about to buy in at all-time highs, though. Not doing that. But yeah, so then I sold some Google puts for $864. So as long as Google doesn't fall like $10 by next week, which, if they crush earnings or at least trade sideways after earnings, I'll be able to close this out Thursday morning and get ready to sell some for next week. Because I think Amazon has earnings the following week. So I'll probably end up doing Amazon after Google. Or if Google drops, I'll just buy the shares and do exactly what I'm doing with Amazon. Buy the shares, then start selling either in the money calls or at the money calls. But yeah, guys, this has been working for me. Look how consistent the line is. It's very, very consistent. And that's what I like about this. It's a very nice, consistent play. But, yeah, guys, I just want to say I'm back. And, we got a lot of plays to do. We got a lot more money to play with. So I'm already up almost 9% year to date. I'm trying to get to at least 20% by the end of the year. 20 to 25%, but I would say at least 20. That's my goal. But yeah, it's just simply doing these trades. I'm not holding on to any shares of anything. I'm simply selling puts and buying shares and selling at the money or in the money calls. That's pretty much the whole strategy right there. Occasionally, I'll buy a call or buy a put if a setup looks really nice, but that's not really what I'm doing in this portfolio. But yeah, guys, that's it. Short little video to catch up, you guys, and I'll be posting a lot more frequently. Peace.